In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save and load your workspace layout in MetaTrader 5. By the end, you'll know exactly how to capture your ideal setup and restore it in seconds, whether you're switching strategies or reopening the platform after a break. First, let's quickly define what a workspace layout is in MT5. Think of it as a snapshot of your trading environment, which charts are open, the time frames you're using, the indicators you've applied, and how key windows like Market Watch, Navigator, and the toolbox are arranged. Saving this layout means you can bring it back exactly as it was, without rebuilding everything from scratch. In MetaTrader 5, these saved layouts are called profiles. To save your layout, start by getting the platform looking exactly the way you want. Open the charts you need, set the time frames, add indicators, and arrange the windows where they're most useful to you. When you're happy with the setup, go to the top menu and click File. Hover over Profiles, then choose Save As. Enter a clear, descriptive name, something like Scalping Setup or Forex Daily, so it's obvious what the layout is for. Click OK, and your layout is now saved as a profile. You can create and keep multiple profiles, which makes it easy to maintain different environments for different tasks. Loading a saved layout is just as simple. Method 1 is through the top menu, go to File, then Profiles, and click the name of the profile you want to use. Your entire workspace will switch instantly to that setup. Method 2 is even faster. Look at the bottom right of the MT5 window. You'll see the current profile name on the status bar. Click it and pick another saved layout from the list. That's it. The platform updates immediately. This flexibility is perfect for switching between trading approaches. For example, you might keep a scalping profile with M1 to M5 charts and compact windows, a swing trading profile with H1 to D1 charts for broader analysis, and a news trading profile focused on key pairs and alerts. Using profiles keeps your work organized and reduces the chance of clutter or accidental changes. A quick tip before we wrap up. Give your profiles names that reflect their purpose and update them after you make significant layout improvements. And don't worry, switching profiles affects the look and arrangement of your workspace, not your trading account or open positions. That's all you need to confidently save and load your workspace layouts in MetaTrader 5.